Hi guys, welcome to Mr. Purple Tech. I got a great new camera. I believe it's going to be awesome. I'm about to unravel it for you. Just stay tuned. Yeah! Woo! Reolink Argus 3. Maybe you haven't heard of Reolink. It's a great brand. They produce cameras and it's for your home security. And I think this is one of the great ones. Oh yeah! So this is the Reolink Argus 3. It comes with a solar panel out of the box. As far as I'm concerned, guys, you can look at Arlo, you can look at Wise. This is one of the best. Oh yeah! Get this out. Be prepared, be Reolink. Well, yeah, I'm Reolink right now. I got the pack. Yeah, I have something right here. It contains all the cameras. I don't know what it is. Is this to look? Let's get out of the way. What else do we have in the box? Yeah, it's a bit heavy, but it's fun. So that's it. There's nothing in the box. The box is empty. Let me get that out. So I think this is a set for the solar panel, and this is a set for the camera itself. These are the manuals. Let's see what is there. You get a sticker, you get operational instruction, quick start guide, and yeah, this is to use to fix the camera to the wall and the surveillance camera sticker. All right, this is not what we are looking at, but at least you get to know that it's in the box. I'm moving on. Okay, I have this, this is the actual camera, and this is just a pen. So USB, micro USB, guys, they have to stop that. Always giving us micro USB. But I think for products that don't need to be charged all the time, micro USB is fine. This is the wall mount. You can use it to mount the camera to the wall. And yeah, this is an interesting thing because it allows you to mount the camera on a tree. I'm going to show you a picture of that. Just look at the screen. And yeah, let's get all this out. Yeah, screws. Don't do this on your own. The camera itself, just going to peel this off. It's not an iPhone, but it's still nice to peel. Okay, micro USB port to charge the camera, and you have a standard mount here if you want to screw it. So I guess this goes right here. You screw that, and the camera is just gonna pivot once you set that. All right, solar panel mount kit, and solar panel screws. The solar panel is going to be mounted this way, almost the same as the camera. This allows you to move it out, just like that. And oh, come on, screw this. And there you go. So solar panels must be mounted around 45 degrees angle in this direction, this way. Typically towards the east if you want to have a better so well, yeah, it's going to be on the wall this way, and then it's just going to be mounted to the east and be capturing that solar light for you. We plug the solar panel into the camera right here, and we create this seal. You know, this is an outdoor camera. It's IP6X resistant, so it's good for any type of weather. Snow, rain, sun is great. Solar panel keeps recharging the camera. The camera itself has 6 months for 20 events, so you get to use your camera for life. I'm gonna now set it up and then we roll. All right, so what we have to do first is we have to install the app. So I got the Reolink app. It's installing. Just gonna take 1 second. And yeah, you must have seen this one. This is the Reolink E1. It's an indoor camera. It's a small one, so you can use it indoor. But the focus today is on the outdoor with the solar panel. All right, I got the Reolink app. You have to accept all the things it's going to tell you, connecting to Wi-Fi, everything agreed in terms of service. And yeah, ready to add a camera. Well, before we can add a camera, press the plus button, and you are going to have to scan a QR code. That QR code is located under the camera. It's at the back here. So it's here. So for now, I'm just going to remove this and turn on the Reolink camera. There you go. You also have the micro SD slot right here. You can take, I think, up to 128 GB. And yeah, there's a noise going on. Camera is making noise. You know you are ready when you have that. Scan the QR code. Adding device, Wi-Fi not configured. You have to choose and set up your Wi-Fi. Do you hear dig songs? Yes. Allow while using the app. Type in your password for the Wi-Fi. And then there's a second scan. So the first scan is to scan the camera QR code from the phone. And the second scan is to scan the QR code on the phone from the camera. So you just push this.
Scan succeeded.
Scan
Camera
succeeded.
is connecting to your router. Please wait.
So connection to router succeeded. Should be the next thing.
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
That's it. You finish setting up your camera.
Succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
So you need to enter a master password. It's an admin password. Every time you are adding the camera to a new phone or to the same phone, anytime there is something weird and Reolink things you need to re-authenticate, you would have to type in this password. So choose something complex or something you can remember. I'm just gonna go with this real quick. Passwords do not match, so all right. So I got my password set up. The camera is ready. Camera is connected to the cloud. So how does this camera work? Well, it's not like a typical camera. It's a smart camera, so obviously you don't have a room where you are always, you can always go and see on the screen what's happening. It connects to your phone, and the camera, what we just did in the setup, giving the QR code, it embeds the Wi-Fi SSID and the password, gives it to the camera so the camera can connect. Once the camera connects, it's going to contact the cloud, and then register with the Reolink cloud software. And then from your phone, you also connect to the Reolink cloud software, and you're able to manage the camera. That's how it works. All right, name your device. I'm going to call it, I don't know, bedroom cam or living room cam. It's going to be outdoor, so let's call it porch cam. So it's called porch cam. Please note that the camera should avoid point to frequently moving object, point to strong light, close to strong signal interference, point to heat sources, or point to the mirror. All right, no problem. Initialization finished. You're able to keep your QR code so that you can scan it again later, but it's not necessary at the moment. Allow access to all photos, and that's it. The camera came with 50% battery. I always advise, whenever you get a device with lithium-ion batteries, always make sure you plug it and get it to 100% before you start using it. So I would use the solar light to do that. I would use a normal micro USB charger, 2 amps, 1.5 amps, what have you. Get it to 100% before you start using it. All right, so you press the camera, and then you should be able to view live what's going on. Oh yeah, that's me on the Reolink camera. So that's it. That's it, guys. It's a very straight, simple unboxing of this camera. I'm gonna mount it up, and I will tell you more later on. All right, thanks guys for watching this video. It was the Reolink Argus 3 with the solar panel. It's a great camera as far as I know. I'm gonna give you a full review later on. My name is Igor. This is Mr. Purple Tech. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a like button or smash the like button if you really like what we do. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.